Hello guys, welcome to today's Excel tutorial. So today we'll do an interesting task. So in this video we will show you how to automatically border any cell based on cell value, or you can automatically remove the cell border if the cell is blank. So the example is very interesting and hope you will like the video. So let's get started. So in this particular sheet we have some data: zone, customer and quarter-wise data. So suppose this cell is blank and you don't want border here. Now you have to delete the border every time, or you have to clear the formats. But what if there is no data, there is no border, like this? So if there is no data, there is no border. So we will do the exact similar task, and this is advanced level conditional formatting. So I will show you how we can do this. So keep watching. So now you see all the borders are gone. So basically we'll remove all the formats. Now I'll just give a heading here and see. First of all, the logic should be that if this particular cell has a value, only then border it. If there is no value, if the cell is blank, then no need to border. So we have to write a small formula which says equal to if logical test this particular cell value equal to space. If this is space means if this is blank, then give me x, or else give me y. As simple as that. Give enter. So here you have some formulas. Now I'll just drag the formula. Now see, if I delete any of the value from column B, this will become y. There is some problem, so we need to see what is the problem. Okay, so we did not give a, we have given a space. Now you see the formula is correct. Now you remove any of the cell contents, it will become x. Now if you give here the cell contents, it will become y. So now you have to apply this particular formula in your conditional formatting. So now select this particular line and go to conditional formatting and click on new rule. So your rule says use a formula to determine which cells to format. Format values formula should be equal to if this particular cell, that is this particular cell, equal to y. If this is y, only then format it with a border. Okay, then now give okay. Now okay, now you see there is a border. Now select this particular column row and click on format painter and click on shift control down arrow. Now you see you can hide this particular column I. Now you see if there is no data at the end, automatically your border will go away. So there is no border. If there is no data, there is no border. In the first case we had to manually remove it, but right now you can do it automatically with the use of formula. So that's all about this video. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting Excel videos. Thank you.